Hello BFF, happy 37th birthday, and I'm wishing you more year to come, and of course, more chika for our friendship. And nagpapasalamat ako sa iyo dahil ikaw ay napakabuting tao at ikaw ay napaka matulungin. Salamat sa ating friendship, and I wish you enjoy the rest of your day and hope you enjoy the rest of the year. Happy birthday to you, my dear BFF. Yan, o sige, BFF, marites pa more, ha? Okay? Kasi yan lang naman ang ating gagawin kundi magmarites. But I always told you, kung ano man ang pinag-uusapan natin sa ating marites, just keep it to ourselves because that's the best thing to do, marites, but to keep it to yourself, not to others. Alright? Sige na, wala nang drama. Tapos na ang drama. Kaya mag-enjoy ka na lang, ha? Sana na-invite mo ako ngayong kaarawan mo. Sana nandyan ako kasama mo. But I'm not to worry anything because there is many more year to come to be together. Alright, BFF, happy birthday again. Best you luck. Enjoy. Bye-bye.